But we can learn something here for your HVAC business from these moving companies. Is the same EAT factors which they use. Why I'm showing, by the way, them, because this is an example where they use this power of SEO, power of the branding, power of multi-channel marketing, and they grew SEO dramatically. So the SEO traffic, they did a great job. So you see also they have these local pages, they have this structure for the services, they have different types of content, including pictures, videos, and the content is structured very well.